Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the sleep mode on your Mac operating system. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to click on this Apple logo and then click on system settings here. You can also open the system settings by clicking on this system settings icon. Once system setting window opens, just scroll on the left hand side and here you will see this option which says lock screen. So click on that. And here you will see all the options related to your lock screen. So right now I have these three options and I have different time set for all these three options. The first option is start screensaver when inactive. So my screensaver will start after 20 minutes if my screen is inactive for 20 minutes. If I want to change it, I can just click on this drop down menu and make it to never. That means my screensaver will not start when my screen is inactive because I have set it to never. Also, there is this second option which says turn display off on battery when inactive. This also I can move it to never. And then it says your Mac may use more energy with these settings. I'm going to click on OK. And then I also have the option for turn display off on power adapter when inactive. It turns off after 10 minutes. In my case, I can make it to never. So when I make these settings to never, then my Mac is not going to go into the sleep mode. So this is how you can disable the auto sleep on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.